Hello, hi, welcome to the Lipstick Chat. We are back with a quick update of My Brother's Keeper. Umshengu decided to support uNqubeko in ways that Mamchunu was just something else. Remember, Umamchunu is still upset that Umshengu decided to pay for the legal fees ka Nqubeko, right? While she's still on that boiling point after Doreen Majola had told her, Ugro then realizes ukuthi Umshengu is planning to go with uNqubeko to the gravesite ethuneni likabani ethuneni likandumiso. The reason why he is going there, he is going there to explain to uThuthuka that uNdumiso made a mistake. Umamkhulu bekuthi angadobha amaphepha. Ugro was so livid. Ugro was not happy. Ugro was not having it. The reason why is that all along when the whole thing started, Umshengu was by her side. They were fighting this battle together. Unfortunately, Umshengu got marinated by Doreen Majola, and when he was marinated enough, he decided to turn on his wife by believing everything that Doreen said and said no Nqubeko. That's well and fine, but at the expense kaban. So this is difficult. This is rough. Kubinji. Things are not going well. However, Undumiso became the faithful son, the loyal son. He stayed behind Nomamkhunu, even though Udongalgama Vuso then decided ukuthi it is best for him to go along nabo. Iquestion manje ithi makabuya Umshengu uyobuyela kabani? Uyobuyela kabani? Uyobuyela kushumayeleni or uyobuyela Doreen Majola? Because at this point he chose a side, and the side that he chose is not a side that is favorable to him unless otherwise.